Chewy Pop!
Can you guess these space legends? Before starting, please subscribe our channel Chili Pop for more quizzes. Who was the first human to travel into space? Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, Buzz Aldrin. Yuri Gagarin. Fun fact: Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, was the first human to travel in space, orbiting Earth in 1961. He was a national hero in Russia. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Kalpana Chawla, Rakesh Sharma, Sunita Williams. Rakesh Sharma. Fun fact: when Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, asked Rakesh Sharma how India looked from outer space during a joint televised news conference, he famously replied with, "Sare jahan se अच्छा Hindustan hamara." Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, Yuri Gagarin. Neil Armstrong. Fun fact: Neil's first words on the moon: "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Who was the first woman to travel into space? Sally Ride, Valentina Tereshkova, Kalpana Chawla. Valentina Tereshkova. Fun fact: she flew solo in a spaceship called Vostok 6 and orbited Earth 48 times in 3 days. Who was the first Indian origin woman to go to space? Sunita Williams, Ritu Kridhal, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla. Fun fact: on February 1st, 2003, Kalpana Chawla died when the space shuttle Columbia broke up on re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. Which was the first country to go to space? USA, Soviet Union, China. Soviet Union. Fun fact: Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. Who was the first animal to orbit the Earth? Laika, Bela, Luna. Laika. Fun fact: Laika the brave dog flew on Sputnik 2 and paved the way for human space travel. Who is called the father of the Indian space mission? Vikram Sarabhai, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Homi Bhabha. Vikram Sarabhai. Fun fact: Sarabhai started ISRO in 1969 and inspired India's space ambitions. Who was the first Indian-American astronaut to run a marathon in space? Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Rakesh Sharma. Sunita Williams. Fun fact: she tied herself to a treadmill so she wouldn't float away, and she ran 42 kilometers while floating aboard the space station. Who was the first person to perform a spacewalk? Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins, Alexei Leonov. Alexei Leonov. Fun fact: he floated outside his spacecraft in 1965, and his spacesuit expanded so much he struggled to get back in. Which was the first Indian satellite to be completely designed and built in India? Aryabhat, Rohini, and Sat-1A. Rohini. Fun fact: Rohini was launched by India's own SLV-3 rocket, led by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which was the first country to discover water on the moon? USA, India, Russia. India. Fun fact, India's Chandrayaan-1 mission detected water molecules on the lunar surface of the moon in 2009, which was the first country to land a spacecraft on the dark side of the moon. India, USA, China, China. Fun fact, in 2019, the Chang'e 4 mission made a soft landing on the moon's hidden side, which was the first Indian space mission launched by ISRO, Aryabhat, Bhaskar, Rohini. Aryabhat. Fun fact, Aryabhat was named after an ancient Indian mathematician and was launched from the Soviet Union.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.